Hello students, I am Sanjay, your sport teacher. Today we are going to learn the discus throw. Okay, about the discus throw. At first I will give some information about the ground, okay, sector. At first you have to watch this one ring is here. This is called the performing area. The radius of the ring is 1.25 meter. The radius is 1.25 meter, and two indicating line is the both side. Here is the indicating line. The length of the line is 0.75 meter. One line is right side and one is in left side. The length of the both line is same. Okay, and this is the throwing sector. Okay, in this area you have to throw the discus. This indicating line is very important because when you are entering in the throwing sector performing area, you should come with this way, in this way. You have to enter in this way, and after performing you have to go in this way. You don't cut the line, the indicating line, and don't come in this way. If you are doing so, then you will be disqualified. Okay, now I will show you how to handle, how to grip, how to hold the discus. This is our discus. Okay, you have to put your thumb here and make a grip with your all fingertip like this. Like this. You have to make a grip with your fingertip, and by the support of another hand, like left hand, then you have to swing the discus like in this way. Okay, and here are also the four parts. One is approach, stance, execution, and follow through. Suppose I am coming here to throw the discus like this. I was in the outside, then I am entering in the sector and standing here. This is approach. And next is stance. Stance means how I have to hold the discus and how I have to throw. Okay, this is called stance. Means if I am throwing this sector, then I have to stand and I have to face on the side, in this side. Okay, then I have to swing the discus with my hand like this. Okay, by the support of another hand. Then after that I have to throw in this side. Okay, so first is approach, means I am coming here, and second is stance, means I am holding the discus. Then third is execution, means I am ready to throw the discus. That is called execution, means the swing and throwing. This is called execution. And after that, after the throwing, maintaining the body balance, it is called the follow through, means I am throwing the sector like this, and after maintaining the body balance, this is called follow through. So at first I will show how to throw the discus. Okay, there are two methods. One is very simple and another is little bit complex. Okay, so at first I will explain you short simple method, then after that the complex method. So this is the gripping and execution. You have to swing the hand, then take a one step and you have to throw the discus. Okay, means you are swinging the hand, swing the discus with your hand, then take one step and throw the discus. This is one method. Okay, and another is, if suppose you are going to throw in this side and you have to face your body this side. Okay, then you have to swing your body like this, then you have to make a turn, and after that you have to throw. Okay, so I'm bringing the discus, and after that I will show you how to throw. Okay, So this is the another method. In this method, you have to turn your body, you have to roll your body, and after that you can throw like this. At first you have to hold the discus, you have to grip the discus, and after that you have to swing it. Then your body should make a turn, okay, like this. You have to turn your body like this one, and after that you can throw. Again I am showing you. You are holding the discus like this, then you have to swing the discus, and then you have to make a one turn, okay. Again swing the discus, then you have to make a turn, and after that you can release, okay. So students, it is today is enough for discuss, and another video we will make very soon, and I will explain the all details. Okay, bye.